Okay, what's up YouTube today? I'm coming back with part 2. Part 2 of, you see all them cars over there. So yeah, 1990. Now this is a die-cast metal coin bank, big bank. 1994. It's kind of hard filming, opening a box, and trying to watch the race at the same time, but yeah, how can I get this open? I don't even know what car this is. Okay, yes. Finally got it open. Okay, yeah. Here it is. Number 8, Kenny Wallace car. Piggy bank. I think, yeah, here's the key for it. That's a great place to keep the key. Keep the key right here. Yeah, number 8, Kenny Wallace. TCI Financial. No, TIC. So yeah, now I gotta put this thing back in the box. I'm gonna skip ahead a little bit, because I don't want to have to see me opening. And, just unboxing some of these cars. You just want to see the car more than you want me to see me struggle to open it. Then you go review it for a little bit, then just put it back in the box. But yeah, there we go. Blabbing my mouth. Here it is. 1994, I think. Brickyard 400 car. Also another piggy bank. Probably want to put these up in my room. For piggy banks. Actually keep money in them. Yeah, here we are. Pull this some gun out. I like it because of the gold on it. My brother got my Jeff Gordon car like it, but it says Jeff Gordon, so yeah. Also has the key on the bottom. This is a bit beat up more on the bottom. Somebody took bad paint job on it. I like the gold rims and like the gold details on it. But yeah. Yeah, those are just some of the stuff that I got. I'm actually thinking about using some of these piggy banks. Cause I got 2 piggy banks. I got that one and this one that's Kenny Wallace. Cause you know what's good? Look, the key's on the bottom. So yeah, that's my mom. Well, Winston got one.
You got 2?
Yeah.
And you need to leave them in the boxes.
Yeah, but I'm thinking about using one of them.
You need to leave them in the boxes.
But I'm just... But I'm...
Did I pay $10 for them?
No. For all the cars and all that whole box for you paid $50 with this giant thing that I will show you and Mitch later. I'm not going to show it to you.
What is it?
It's something from the year 2000. It's a race car. You paid $50 for all this stuff. So yeah, like I said, that's my mom. Just watch the race up there. Let me see if the camera angle is pointed at there. Yeah, you can kind of see the race a little bit, but yeah. I'm not gonna. And guys, comment down below what is y'all's favorite car. It's not over yet. We still got 2 more cars left. I'm gonna do this and before this Mark Martin car and this, which I already saw a video on. But Fina, another 143 scale. Bobby Hillen. Got this plastic container. Yeah. Now I got a final one here. It's another piggy bank. Mark Martin. Now the piggy banks do roll, but Mark Martin Win Dixie car from 1994. I like the old Racing Champions car because they're pretty cool. Because almost on all of them, see on almost all of them, they have like the driver signature. On all of these, they have the driver signature thing where you can get the driver signature. The old Racing Champions ones. See, you can put. See, they always have those little things there, but yeah, that's all I have to talk about today, guys. But like, subscribe. Comment down below what is your favorite car. And, yeah. Bye.